Welcome to Toppers Study Circle. I'm Parvez Khan, and you're listening to episode 4 of our English learning series. In today's powerful solo podcast, we'll uncover the 15 most common reasons why many learners still struggle to speak English fluently, and more importantly, I'll guide you step by step on how to overcome each of these challenges. So grab your headphones, take a deep breath, and let's get fluent together. Main script 1. You think grammar is everything. Yes, grammar is important, but don't get obsessed. Speaking fluently is not about perfect grammar. It's about expressing your ideas confidently. Solution: practice speaking even with mistakes. Focus on communication first, accuracy later. 2. Lack of real conversation practice. Many learners read and write English, but they never speak it out loud. Solution: speak every day. Talk to yourself. Record yourself. Find language partners online. 3. You translate from your native language. Translating in your head slows you down. Solution: start thinking in English. Use simple words. Describe your day in English. 4. Fear of making mistakes. Fear holds you back more than any grammar rule. Solution: accept that mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake is a lesson. 5. Poor listening skills. If you can't understand English speakers, you'll hesitate to respond. Solution: watch English shows, podcasts, and YouTube channels. Listen actively, not passively. 6. Lack of vocabulary. If you don't know enough words, you get stuck. Solution: learn 5 to 10 new words daily, but use them in your own sentences. 7. Memorizing instead of understanding. You memorize dialogues but can't create your own. Solution: focus on real understanding. Practice using language, not just memorizing it. 8. You don't use English daily. If English is only for exams, fluency won't come. Solution: make English part of your lifestyle. Set your phone to English, think in English, talk to your mirror in English. 9. No feedback loop. If no one corrects you, how will you improve? Solution: record your voice and compare it with native speakers. Use language apps with feedback. 10. Relying only on books. Books help, but they don't train your mouth. Solution: speak. Shadow native speakers. Copy their tone and rhythm. 11. You don't set clear goals. Fluency is a vague goal. Solution: set small targets, like, I'll speak English for 5 minutes daily, or, I'll describe 3 photos today in English. 12. Not knowing your weak areas. You may not even realize what's holding you back. Solution: reflect. Is it vocabulary, pronunciation, lack of confidence? Find your weakness and attack it. 13. Lack of motivation. You start learning but give up quickly. Solution: remind yourself why you want to speak English: better job, studies, confidence. Keep your why strong. 14. Comparing yourself with others. Comparison kills confidence. Solution: compare yourself with your past self, not others. Progress matters more than perfection. 15. No consistency. Learning once a week won't work. Solution: make it daily. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day beats 3 hours once a week. Message from my side. So there you have it, 15 reasons why you may not be fluent in English yet, and how to fix each one. Fluency is not a gift, it's a habit. If you follow even half of what you heard today, you'll be shocked at your own progress in the next few months. Thank you for listening to this episode of the Toppers Study Circle podcast. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, your English journey is your personal journey, and I'm here to walk with you every step of the way. See you in the next episode. Till then, take care.